Hello, I'm Lady Isabel Henry. I'm the newcomer contact for the Barony of Caer. I spoke in a previous video about developing a persona to find out what it is that you love to do about the SCA and would like to learn more of. So my persona is from Scotland in a village near Aberdeen. And I was a brewer, and I brewed and sold the excess to the townspeople. But one of my favorite things is to create medicines through the items in my herb garden. So we're in my backyard, and I want to welcome you to my wild backyard, my herb garden. One of my favorite things to do is to make medicines, and you can see I have several items here. I love to make ointments. So the rosemary makes a very nice antibacterial ointment similar to your modern day Neosporin. It has antibacterial properties that are very helpful. I like to use beeswax, but in period, probably lard would be more likely available. I have some fennel here. I have lemon balm, oregano, which is threatening to take over, sage. I have hops, which we know are good for brewing. It also has medicinal properties. I smell the rosemary. I have lots of roses this year. They're fantastic. I did nothing to them. They're just growing on their own. I don't apply any pesticides or anything like that. I just let them grow. So if you have any questions, I'm available on Facebook. I know that it is counterintuitive to study the medieval period through social media, but in this time of pandemic, that's what we're doing to stay together. If you look carefully, you can see the remnants of my wattle fence that I constructed a couple of years ago. Well, that's on my list of things to do this summer because my dogs like to run through it. They visit the neighbors' dogs and they tore it down. So that's on my list of things to do. One of the things about herb gardening is that it's a work in progress. There's always something to do. There's always something to be learned. Every year